just at Morrisons in Lee, hunting down Hot Wheels. Let's go in, let's see what they've got. I'll see you in there, guys. Right, guys, well, it looks like we've got quite a full metal tin down here. You can see the price in Morrisons is £2.15. Not the best price, but if I find something special, I might actually buy it. Let's have a little look through, see what we can find. And first up, we've got a Pontiac Aztek Custom. Now, if you've watched Breaking Bad, you'll know this car because it's Walter White's car. And this is obviously a custom modified version of the car. I've also been told that there's an Easter egg on this car of Walter White's hat on the back shelf there. Can you see it, guys? I think I can. Maybe the guy was right, he wasn't having me on. Really cool casting, not seeing this one. I know there's a couple of variants out, but this is a long card, and it does look like there's a lot of long cards in this box anyway. In the UK, we normally get short cards, and long cards are found on strips, whereas in America, they get all long cards. This is a long card, by the way, guys. Really awesome find. I'll definitely be taking that, especially for the Breaking Bad nostalgia. Good series. Let's see what else they've got. Oh, here's the peg warmer, guys. They've got a rocking railer. I'm seeing loads of rocking railers still out there. I think the ice shredder is becoming the new peg warmer, though. What do you think, guys? Oh, that's nice. That's a Dodge Charger RT from the Hot Wheels Art Cars set. Now, what letter's this got on the top? It's got an I, and it does also have a little speech bubble on there. What does that say? 24 Hot Wheels Art Cars, very nice. So yeah, the art cars all spell out a word, and they all have a letter on the top, and some really, really cool decal on these things too. Very bright, very colourful. I do like this one, and it is a 70s Dodge Charger as well. So yeah, let's keep going. Oh, if I sit down, my legs are killing me. We've got a Tesla Model Y in black on black. Does have some good detail on the back there on this thing. Quite nice on the front as well. We've got, oh, very nice one that I've just dropped. The 2015 Jaguar F-Type Project 7. Beautiful colours. Absolutely love the white, red and green with those gold wheels. There was supposed to be a badge, but yeah, no badge on this thing, unfortunately. Still, really cool casting from the Roadster set. Yeah, I'll definitely be taking that. What else have we got? The Cadillac Project GTP Hypercar, which is a really, really nice, unique casting, this, guys. Look, it's got 9 written right there. Golden black hypercar, what's not to like? From the Hot Wheels Turbo set, really cool. Got this one already. Let's keep going. Oh, nice. It's the Shelby Cobra Daytona Coupe. And it's got that Golf livery as well. Oh, that is so nice. Shelby was the guy who actually made the performance stuff in Ford, didn't he? I only know that from watching Ford versus Ferrari, but yeah, really, really cool casting. And I don't know if anybody else does, but I collect the Golf livery stuff, so yeah, this is amazing. Really, really good. I've got a load of different ones. I don't think you can find this in a Super, but it would be beautiful, wouldn't it, with some Spectra Flame paint on this thing. From the Hot Wheels Race Day set, which is a great set. Gonna look forward to grabbing all those. Yeah, so really awesome casting. I'll definitely be taking this. Let's keep going. Absolutely munched Corvette Grand Sport Roadster. Talking about completely damaged packaging and cards, I definitely advise to get some car protectors, guys. Over the past year, I've bought loads of different types of car protectors, but I've got to tell you, the best that I've come across is Class UK. These protectors have something really special about them, guys. Let me show you. I'm coming round there right now. So they have all the features that you want from a car protector. If you look closely, guys, you can see there's a lip around the edge of the bubble that strengthens the protector, and it also helps prevent surface-to-surface scratches. How cool is that, guys? They've got the mainline short carb protectors, long carb protectors. They've also got protectors for premium cars, team transport, and character cars too. And don't even get me started on the Fiverr protector, guys. Definitely check that one out. All the protectors come really well packed in boxes like this. There is a link in the description if you want to go to the website and check it out. I've also got a QR code that you can just get your phone out and scan. Thanks Class UK for sponsoring this video. Make sure to use my code TWC15 to get 15% off any first order over £35. This promotion ends on the 31st of December 2024. Let's get back to the hunt. Don't let your cars get like this if you keep them on the card. All right, let's keep going. Really cool 55 Chevy Bel Air Gasser with that collector livery. Brick and mortar. Another Dodge Charger RT. Oh, now this is a good one. It's the Flippin' Fast. I've not seen this one before, and it is from the Celebration Racers set, which is awesome because I am collecting that set. You can see it's got a stamp up here of 0424, so April 24. Is that what we're talking about? The really unique thing about this car is you can hold it here and it's like a fidget spinner that you can just like flick and spin round. Really, really cool. It can ride on both sides, back and front there. I think it's got a driver as well in the middle. Maybe it can drive both ways around. That's why it's called Flippin' Fast. Very cool. I'll definitely be taking this to add to my Celebration Racers collection. Not seeing it out here before. Let's keep going. Very cool 2020 Ram 1500 Rebel. I've seen this a few times before, but I've never seen it in black like this. Really, really good pickup truck. Gotta love that factory fresh stuff, don't you? We've got the Audi RS e-tron GT, which has got loads and loads of detail on here, amped up on the front and on the back license plate as well. Very cool. I do like this one. I do have it in white. Oh, one that could have been a super. It's a 71 El Camino, but we know it's not a super, guys. There's no golden stamp on the card there, no rubber tyres and no Spectra Flame paint. Still, really good casting. A lot of people do like this one, so very cool to see. What's this here? Okay. What the heck is going on with this? How old is this one? Does it have the date on this? It does say copyright 2020 Mattel, so is this 4 years old? And it's not the same without the flame stamp on it as well, so this must be an older casting. It's the 2017 Camaro ZL1. I bet this was found underneath the shelving here, so that's probably why it's really dirty. Is there any detailing on the front and back? No, there won't be with the decals on there, but really awesome find. Love finding things from years ago. Very, very cool. Pop that up here. Let's keep going. Oh, no way. I've been looking for this thing for a while now, guys. It's the 1960s Fiat 500 Modificado. Look at this thing, guys. I love compact cars. This could have been a super treasure hunt, but yeah, it's just the standard. As you can tell, it's not like shining with gold as the super does. But some really great detailing on this thing. 66 on the side there. You can see the Italian flag colours. And it's got an open boot with the engine just sat in there. Really, really cool. I think this is like one of the first ever racing models of the Fiat 500. And it's like the ancestor of my car, which is an Abarth. Such a cool little casting. Very, very happy to find this one, guys, finally. Right, let's keep going. White Mustang funny car. Okay, the Corvette Stingray. Now I've seen this one online and I believe it's full plastic except for the base, which is a massive shame. Hot Wheels, stop making plastic bodies. I know that you're doing metal bases, but plastic bodies, guys, for the same price as full metal castings, it's just not on. Come on. But yeah, really, really cool. Do like this one. I know a lot of people that collect the Corvettes, so yeah, very nice. Let's keep going. yeah, the 91 Mazda MX-5 Miata with that red interior, and there's like a roll cage at the back there as well. I'd love to see this thing with the lights popped up with detailing on it as well, but yeah, that's so nice, man. Gotta love the Miata. Lovely little Japanese car, isn't it? I've heard that these are one of the best cars to modify if you're going to modify any little Japanese car. Very easy to find all the parts for them, and yeah, make them look good as well. So yeah, very cool. Do like that one. I'll put that one to one side. Let's keep going. And another, but still no super, 60s Fiat 500D Modificado. God, I love this thing. I'll put that one up here, and maybe this one's, I think this is a better card, maybe a little bit bent, but yeah, I'll pop that up here. And that's it, guys. I mean, except for a stolen Land Rover Defender, yeah, I'm gonna guess it's stolen because it ain't in there anywhere. Should we check behind the box as well? A few broken bubbles. What's this other thing? What could have been? Okay, Count Muscular. Let's see what's behind, guys. Always check behind. You're looking in boxes. Nope, nothing over there. We've got a 5-pack. We do have a couple of strips here. Nothing special on here, guys. I mean, that's a really good C Zinger 21C in the cherry red. Very nice, but yeah. Right, I'm going to tidy everything up and see what we found. Just 1 second, guys. I want to tell you something that's just happened when I've been to the till of these cars. I did take this Corvette to go and see whether or not the price of it was £2.15, like the clip strips are. And it was actually coming up at £1.61. So in Morrisons, in the main line, you're getting short cards for £1.61 and long cards for £2.15. Which I think is absolutely ridiculous, because what you're paying for the 50p for an extra bit of card, mainline castings should sell at the same price, guys. That's absolutely ridiculous. Anyway, guys, what do you think? Do you agree with me? Let me know in the comments. So yeah, what an awesome hunt in Morrisons today, guys. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.